mixed emotions in the crypto markets today. Will the turmoil continue within the blockchain markets? Who knows? Definitely not me, but I can at least try my best to show you what's going to happen with Luna Classic. So stick around if you're a Luna Classic fan, and if you are a fan of pre-sales, because we've got some incredible pre-sale news coming up very soon. Terra Doge, a very recent pre-sale that we looked at and analysed on this channel, just hit a 20x. So stick around, watch your space, stay in the new, subscribe to the channel as well. So Bitcoin hovering at $20,000 at the moment. Ethereum is at $1,362. I do apologize for the lighting. It's nighttime. God, look at me. It's nighttime and I'm making a crypto video. I'm such a societal recalcitrant, huh? Gosh. So rank 31 still, Terra Classic, trading at $0.000289, 1.7 billion market cap. I do apologize, my throat is so sore today. I'm trying not to speak too loudly or harshly. I don't want to choke up and get my screen soaked or something. So what's going on with Luna Classic? We are still in a major downtrend here. When we got rejected at the 0.00059 level, we just have not put through a higher since. But this corrective phase does remind me of, the correction that we saw in June. So it doesn't look awful. The bounce here from the particular date right here on the 25th of September, I mean, look at that, it offered 109% increase. So we are seeing a bit of a pullback here for Luna Classic. We're just hovering below the 0.382 Fibonacci level. And I think what's also important to consider is that actually we just perfectly bounced off this 20-day moving average. So yes, it's been a series of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles. However, if we can bounce off this 20-day moving average, there is a good chance we will retest the 0.000373 resistance level and maybe flip that into a support. So very interesting. It's all about what happens next for Terra Luna Classic. Can we hold this line? You know, we're just hovering on this support still. Very critical level of support right here. If you can see, we're just literally hovering there. We did come below, we retested, and we're back now above on the 30 minutes. You can just see how detrimental and imperative this level is that we need to hold for Luna Classic. So hopefully we do not see any more downside continuation. That would not be fun for the Luna bulls, but hopefully it's just going to be a bit more kind of short-term downtrend and then more of a bounce. You know, we're waiting for a substantial bounce. Every time Luna Classic is oversold on the RSI, it does prove to be a good time to accumulate. Last time we were oversold was on the 26th of September. It's been a while since we've been close to being oversold, but if we did go oversold again on the relative strength index, I would probably imagine it would be another potential good dollar cost averaging opportunity. So do keep your eyes peeled for the potential pullback in case it does happen. If we do hit that 2-4, it could be an oversold position. So keep your eyes peeled on that one, guys. And yeah, I'm very keen to see what could happen here for Luna Classic. If we do get the breakout, you know, and we do go through the 3.7 and through the 5.9, we could start targeting the 8.1 level, maybe even more hyper bullish targets, the 2.272 fib extension at 0.001, finally to knock off a 0. That would be a great goal for the Luna Classic bulls. What else is going on? Look how much we have now got burnt, 0.2%. We have seen now a little bit of a slowdown with the burning. The rate of burn has finally slowed down since, you know, we saw the influx from Binance. So, pardon me, I'm just not feeling very well. I do apologize. So, yeah, we saw linear growth. It still is linear growth. We're still up. We're looking good. No, not really worried, but it is slowing down. So if we look at the prediction over the next 5 years, we think, well, this particular data is suggesting that there's going to be 17.3% of the total Luna Classic supply burnt. At the moment, we've burnt 14.2 billion Luna Classic tokens. We just need more and more. I'm talking like over 50% of the supply burnt to make this thing happen and finally actually grow. 99+% of the supply will probably need to be burnt in order to ever see a really high or highly priced Luna Classic. So I'm not sure if that will be in this lifetime or when. Either way, I'm still rather bullish on the movement. Luna Classic is a community-based coin, if you ask me, and the Luna is forever strong, forever boosting their morale, confident, rigorous, tumultuous crypto tyrants. That is exactly who the Luna Classic bulls and army are. They will get what they want. They will get what they want. And that's the truth, in my opinion. I don't see this going under the 1.7 level. I do think this is now the new kind of range between 2.3 and 3.7 for at least the remainder of 2023. And if we did lose the 2.3 or 2.4 here, I think it would just be a very, very quick wick down, maybe just to the 2.2 level and then bounce back up. So yeah, let me know what you think down below. Do you think Lunar Classic will continue to grow? Do you think we will finally see a $3 billion, $5 billion Lunar Classic? It's been a while since we had that. Back over here we had $40 billion. Just recently we were almost at $3 billion, but we didn't quite get there. What else did I want to say to you guys? Well, I wanted to share with you the IMPT token. If you are new here, it's another pre-sale we're looking at on this channel. $1.2 million has been raised. As you can see, I do hold 105,000 tokens. It's about $2,000 worth. So it reminds me of the Terra Doge, right? Massive upside potential during a crypto bear market. Terra Doge to a 2,000% increase, right? And this is the next pre-sale we're looking at. So check out IMPT token. You can find it down below. Maybe you're someone that did lose quite a bit during the unfortunate Terra Classic crash of May, and you might want to sort of explore a more lucrative and prosperous opportunity, kind of like IMPT, and dabble with pre-sales, right? So do some research on pre-sales. Look at the white paper of IMPT token. It's not financial advice, of course, but I do think this could potentially explode like Terra Doge. And next week we have another crypto pre-sale that we'll be looking at on this channel. So watch this space. Stay in the know, ladies and gents. I'm very, very excited to see what could happen here. Last thing we look at before I do go is the total market cap for cryptocurrency. This is the altcoin sector, so excluding Bitcoin's valuation, but we can see alts are looking very, very strong still. And I do think we might actually see alts rise to maybe $600 billion again. We could see a 10 to 15% on average pump for most of the major altcoins, because it does look like we want to get this bullish reversal play out here. And it's great to see that we had an extreme fear market and the altcoin market cap only came down to $428 billion. So really, really crazy to see. And further news, I cannot believe I'm saying this. I only have one VIP slot available. This gives you early access to pre-sales, white listings. We looked at Battle Infinity, Terra Doge, we've now got IMPT. You're going to get all the nitty-gritty information before everyone else, as well as the key vital info that I find out and discover, and it will be shared with you all first. You're going to get a free ebook, trading signals, leverage signals as well, optional one-on-one lessons, anything you really, really want, just let me know. Like I say, only one slot available. Support my journey, as my vision is to help you make 10 to 100x with your cryptos, right? Especially these pre-sales. And if you do want a more budget-friendly option, you can always go with a whole lot of love or sprinkle some generosity. So I won't be pushing this anymore. Once I hit the 50, I think enough is enough. I don't want to get greedy, but it's absolutely crazy, and I want to keep this kind of club, this VIP holder club, exclusive to a limited few people, just to make you feel special, so you can prosper potentially and help me help you delve your way through to sort of freedoms with money, right, and finance. So it's really, really crazy, the world of crypto. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Slap that sub if you're new here. I do appreciate it. It's been a while since I have uploaded a video on Lunar Classic, but I do hope what I've shared today is insightful. Make sure you like, comment the video as well. Let me know your thoughts. See you soon, guys. Bye for now.